Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back today. We're still on our vacation, or in a vacation spot, though it really hasn't been a vacation. It's been a time to kind of rest and recuperate here in South Padre Island. And I already filmed this video, but I have forgotten I had a informative letter that comes with it. This is a kit, and I've already opened it because like I said, I've already filmed it once, so I'll re-show you everything. This is a Crate Joy kit, and this is the February kit, and I think this is from Scribe Delivery, hashtag Scribe Delivery, and Holly and Chad own it. They're really neat. I like all their stuff, but I am kind of picky, so I did go ahead and cancel that subscription. But in this kit, I wanted to share with you, there were these things that came, and the edge of that has gotten a little bit worn on our trip, so excuse me for that. I am going to put this fun thing. This is a UB 8-color retractable ballpoint pen, and it's got a color for every mood and writes so smoothly. It is perfect for bullet journals, doodlers, and writers alike. For every pen, UB makes a donation to a classroom in need right here in the U.S. So I'm going to be putting that in a drawing for y'all. Secondly, the other, I guess I should just go with this one first. This is a Denick gray triangle notebook. It's simply stunning. The notebooks have Smith sewn binding, which helps the notebook lay flat when you write, which I had noticed that. And you can see here how the binding lets go. It kind of comes out a little bit. Let's see. Yeah. Smith cover, it will be what covers water resistant, the image quality, and will resist wear over time. For every notebook shipped, proceeds go directly into building schools and supporting the artists who designed the notebooks covers. So that's neat. Okay, I love that. And I may keep that out. I was going to pack that away, but I may not. I may use it for something. And then lastly, these are the 2 Elam Desert Sunrise letterpress journals. These adorable journals are a limited edition and are hand pressed out of San Diego, California. The paper is smooth to write on, shows next to no ghosting. While pressing each journal's covers, the letterpress sinks the image into the surface of the paper for a great added texture. The covers are printed using soy-based inks on soft textured paper, and it's cotton paper, which is really interesting to me. So it's Elam set of 2 journals, letterpress on cotton paper with blank inside pages. So, because most of our paper is pressed out of trees, so I thought that was interesting. So anyways, this was the February kit, and to show you these are just yummy, yummy, yummy. The paper is just, I don't even know how to describe it. It's so beautiful. And of course, I love the covers, and hopefully we're going to be making a trip to the Southwest soon for my husband's work and for us to get away. Again, I know we just got home, but I thought these were just so beautiful. And I wanted to show you guys that this is from, I believe it's Crate Joy, and this kit is from Scribe Delivery. So, all right, guys, that's it. I just wanted to kind of show you a fun, cute, other subscription kit. And on Crate Joy, they have tons of different things that you can subscribe to. So, all right, well, most importantly, I hope your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to join in this community, we'd love to have you. It's a very encouraging group, and we just love to bless you. And if you join, please say hello. You can leave a comment. I'm not getting to comments yet. We've had a family member pass away, and so I have taken the last almost 3 weeks off. So, but I'm not quite up to comments yet, but you can email me at josephinesdesigns.com@gmail.com. It's in the About section. And, yeah. So, all right, guys. Most importantly, again, I hope your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you for stopping by, and I look forward to talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.